Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well with good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I'll show you in this video very attractive and beautiful ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women, for mature women. Many much more stylish ideas of low maintenance hairstyle with beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye, and many much more stylish ideas. Latest collection. I hope you like it. Different ideas of beautiful ideas of haircut in low maintenance. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cuts. Some ideas layered, deep layered, and some ideas step, and so beautiful collection of hair dye, blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas funky colors, and so beautiful collection of hairstyling, fine hairstyle, too short wave and curls on hair, curly hairstyle, messy hairstyle, mostly ideas in low maintenance, spiky hairstyle with undercut, and many much more stylish ideas. Latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women, for mature women you see in this video. For mature women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous, you look younger, you look very smart, very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.